The EU Facilitators package obliges European states to combat and deter human smuggling by passing laws to criminalize it. It sets out a common definition of the crime as facilitation of irregular entry into, transit through, or residence in an EU member state. And then it outlines a common set of criminal sanctions to be applied to this conduct. From a human rights standpoint, there are two main problems. Number one, the first part of the definition doesn't include a profit motive as an essential element of the crime of facilitation of irregular entry or transit. And number two, it leaves it optional as to whether European states should implement a so-called humanitarian exception. This means that it treats someone acting out of humanitarian reasons or a sense of solidarity or maybe even helping a family member exactly the same as it would someone acting solely for profit. This diverges sharply from international laws like the UN Smuggling Protocol, which were designed specifically with the rights and protection of migrants in mind. These problems with the EU Facilitators package aren't new. The European Commission conducted an official evaluation in 2017. It conducted a civil society consultation process in 2018, and in 2020, it even passed non-binding guidance acknowledging the high risk of criminalization of humanitarian assistance and encouraging states to take measures to mitigate these risks. The failure to bring the European legal framework into line with international prevailing standards can be seen in Trapani today, in the wholly inappropriate application of the Italian law to the work of the luventa crew and other civil sea rescuers whose work has been recognized by UN experts as a vital form of human rights defense that should be protected and promoted, definitely not criminalized. The recent constitutional complaint asks for clarity not only on Italian law, but also on the EU Facilitators package, arguing that it violates the Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union. The complaint could result in a referral to the Court of Justice of the European Union, and in this sense, it marks a promising step with possible implications far beyond this specific case.